Staying here in Unit 2, Tier 2, we're now going to come down and do elimination by multiplication and canceling. Check off our little booklet. So when you want to use elimination by multiplication and canceling, you want to follow some easy steps. Here is our system of equations. First step you want to follow is to multiply each equation by a constant that allows for the elimination of one variable when the equations are added. We got to find something we can multiply one of the entire equations by to get new equations so that we can add them and eliminate a variable, because that's our goal. And it says step 2, add the two equations to eliminate one of the variables. And step 3, solve the one variable. And step 4 is use the first variable to solve for the other variable. I want to get these two variables to go away, this one and this one. So I want to multiply this by 3. That way I can get a positive 6x. Now I need a negative 6x here. So I need to multiply that by negative 2. And you got to use the distributive property and distribute these in to every term of the equation. After distributing these, we get our new equations, which is 3 times 2x, which gives us 6x, and 3 times 7y, which gives us 21y, and 3 times 4, which gives us 12. Negative 2 times 3, which gives us our negative 6x. Negative 2 times 5y, which gives us our negative 10y. And then negative 2 times negative 5, which gives us a positive 10. And now, just like in Tier 1, we are going to add the two equations, the two new equations together, eliminating a variable, which that variable that we're going to eliminate is going to be the x variable again. So now, when we add these, we get 0x's plus, and you got 21y's and negative 10y's, so that leaves 11y's. And you got 12 of a constant and 10 of a constant. Add those together, you get 22. We have now eliminated the x variable, and we can solve for one variable, which that variable is going to be y. So we have 11y equals 22. We're going to divide both sides by 11. And that's going to give us y equals 2. So we want to use the first variable to solve for the other variable in one of the original equations. 2x plus 7y equals 4. But now we're going to plug in 2 for the y value. So we're going to have 2x plus 7 times 2 equals 4. So it was 2x plus 14 equals 4. We're going to subtract 14 from both sides. It's going to give us 2x equal to negative 10. Divide both sides by 2. That's going to give us x equals negative 5. And now we have our x, we have our y, so we can write our solution over here in our parentheses, negative 5, comma 2.